Hi guys, let's take a look at the 4K 10X PTZ camera user guide. It comes with plenty of interfaces. The PTZ supports DC power supply. After powering on, camera will have initial configuration and receiver light will be flashing. Camera will do a brief pan tilt tour and return to the home position, or if preset 0 is set, the camera will return to the preset 0 position. PTZ supports HDMI output. Connecting to a monitor with an HDMI port allows for image output. PTZ supports USB 3.0 output. Connecting to a computer allows you to capture video signal sources. The 4K 10X comes with a remote control. When using 1-to-1 pairing, the default address number is 1, so we can simply press 1 on the remote to control a single PTZ camera. If using one-to-many pairing, select a PTZ camera, then press ++ F1 F4 in sequence to assign an address. 4K 12X supports to 5/0 horizontal and 60 vertical pan or tilt movement. Press the home button to return to the initial position. Preset position 1. Press the SET preset. 2. Press the number key 0-9 to set a relative preset. Note: 10 preset positions in total are available by remote controller. After binding the preset position, press the number key to call it. Preset clearing 1. Press the clear preset key. 2. Press the number key 0-9 to clear the relative preset. Note: press the key 3 times continually to cancel all the presets. The 4K 10X supports 10 zoom. Long press Zoom Plus to zoom in, and Zoom to zoom out. The PTZ supports both auto and manual focus ... in manual mode. Press Focus Plus to focus near, and Focus to focus far. Release the button to stop. We can also use Auto key for automatic focus. PTZ also supports turning on the backlight. Press the menu button on the remote to open the PTZ menu. The settings allow you to adjust various protocol parameters, suitable for controlling PTZ. The PTZ menu lets you adjust exposure modes, white balance, image settings, and focus. You can also enable noise reduction, choose different styles, and configure other settings. The menu allows adjustment of the PTZ output format, supporting up to 4K 30. Note: exit menu after modifying parameter to save it. After powering on, the default IP address will appear in the upper left corner of the monitor, but only for a short time. Connect the computer and PTZ camera to the same local area network via router or network cable. We can modify the computer's IP address to match the PTZ camera's network segment. Enter PTZ IP in browser. The default username and password are admin. The PTZ pan tilt, zoom, and focus can all be controlled directly from the host computer. You can also set the PTZ's preset positions from the computer. Press F2 on the remote to turn on real-time tracking. The PTZ will automatically track the movement of the subject. Press F1 on the remote to turn off real-time tracking. In real-time tracking mode, pressing F4 on the remote control allows you to switch the tracking target. On the host computer interface, click on Monocular Tracking. In the Region Tracking interface, set the region. Each preset view in the region tracking must be continuous from left to right and overlap when setting the preset. After setting up region tracking, PTZ will track within the specified. You can also choose other tracking modes depending on the scenario. On the host computer interface, click Monocular Tracking, select Stage Tracking, and set the relevant regions. Auto framing mode allows PTZ to autonomously determine the tracking target.